Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Eyeslick review. Now, Eyeslick is a new software that's just coming out today, and the best way to describe it is it's sort of like a streaming new social media web platform similar to the way Twitch works, but more focused on getting you income through selling products while you're on stream. More so designed, let's say you want to, I don't know, create something from anything from like you're cooking recipes like you can see on the screen right now, or maybe you're doing online coaching and you want people to call you straight away, or you want people to donate straight away, buy whatever you're offering straight away. Focus more on making you money as opposed to Twitch, which is more about just, I don't know, maybe taking donations and garnering like a massive following or whatnot. So for those of you looking for a new way to kind of get in touch with the audience, offer something new to your audience where they can be involved, this is definitely for you. So today we're going to take a deep dive into Eyeslick, and as well as that, I've gotten you some really cool bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with Eyeslick, so you just really hit the ground running with a lot more knowledge behind you when you start using it. Also, if you stick around till the end of this video, I've gotten you some discount codes. Different codes are going to be working on different days, but I've gotten you all of them from the vendor, so stick around till the very end. Also, before we get into it, help me out if you just dropped a like on this video, and if you want to be updated on new videos like this, hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Also, if at any time you want to jump ahead, check out Eyeslick on your own, or check out the bonuses I just mentioned, make sure you click that link in the description first, because that way if you do decide to purchase Eyeslick, you will get all these bonuses as well. So the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Eyeslick vendor sales page. So by clicking on any of these green buttons, it will launch you off to the Eyeslick main page, but before it does that, it will lock in these bonuses for you. So if you do then purchase it, you'll be sent all these bonuses along with Eyeslick in one big bundle, and you'll be able to access everything immediately. The first bonus I've gotten for you, I threw in there video marketing profit kit. So I threw this in there because you might be using Eyeslick, but you might not know how to create video properly. You might not know how to present, how to structure your content, how to speak in a way, speak using sales copy, speak in a way that sells, speak in a way that triggers emotions, scarcity, authority, and in a way that makes people want to buy for you. So I threw this in there. This is going to make you an absolute master when it comes to presenting on camera with the means to sell. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit. This goes into the affiliate side. So I know a lot of you out there, if you do go with Eyeslick, you don't have your own products. Doesn't matter. You can put in affiliate links and go hand in hand with Eyeslick and whatever affiliate product you might be talking about. I mean, I could be using it right now and it would work really well. And this is going to give you a better understanding of what affiliate products you should be using, you should be marketing, mistakes to avoid, types of products to avoid, scammy products, things like that, and just how to understand how affiliate marketing works and how and a bunch of really strategies that you can use. Again, this is going to go hand in hand with both Eyeslick and the last bonus I just talked about. Bonus number 3, I threw this in there because while this is about YouTube, this is everything about YouTube. This goes into everything SEO, how to structure your content, how to create a channel, how to use hashtags, how to use headings, how to use descriptions, and everything I just said there translates pretty much exactly over to Eyeslick. So what I'm saying is, if you know how to use YouTube, if you understand how to grab attention with headings and your descriptions, which is what really makes people watch your videos. So you could have the best video in the world, but if you don't know how to grab attention, if you don't know how to rank, no one's even seen the video anyway. You need those steps first to make people get in and then see your content. So I threw this in there because it's teaching you transferable skills for when you get going with Eyeslick. Bonus number 4 I got for you is sales funnel optimization strategies. So this just came out last week, and I've checked it out, and it's going into sales funnels, which is kind of a new thing, right? And the best way I can describe it is, if you're not thinking about funnels, you should be streamlining your everything from getting your customers, getting viewers, getting them to an offer, turning them into a customer. You should know the process of how that works. That's essentially what a sales funnel is. This is going to go into everything from you going out and getting the customer, and with Eyeslick, obviously getting them to that stream, and also getting them to that purchase, getting their email, and then you can then go into, you know, remarketing, retargeting, and things like that. This goes into it all. Bonus number 4, I got a 2-part bonus, another video product called Video Launch Method, and this is going into product launches and how you can create videos that promote products in the best way. And then I got Web Traffic Excellence here, which goes into, this is going to help you drive traffic actively, not rely on SEO, but know how to get out there on all those social media platforms, forums, use SEO, and how to actually proactively get out there, grab your audience by the scruff of the neck, more or less, and get them to your content or to your Eyeslick video where they can then become buyers, right? It's step by step. So there's also some vendor bonuses that have been thrown in, I think. So you're gonna get actually a lot more than what I'm offering as well. So if that all sounds good to you, again, real quick, step 1, click the link in the description. You'll go to this bonus page, lock in the bonuses by clicking these green buttons, and that will send you off to the Eyeslick page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through it, checking everything out. There's a bonus right there that they're giving away, custom templates, and looking through everything, seeing whether it's right for you, and of course, enabling you to make the right decision. There's testimonials on here and everything. I don't want to be here all day running you through a web page, but go through the description, green buttons, you'll go through to this page on your own. You can read all about it. If you do decide to purchase, this product is on JVZoo, so you'll be sent a digital receipt. My email's here if you have any problems, and as I said, under the green button will be Eyeslick, and under the blue button, all those bonuses. So everything coming at you together. So right now we're gonna head into the over-the-shoulder walkthrough of Eyeslick so you can see exactly how it works. It's impressive. I know you're gonna like it. Let's go.
In this video, we'll showcase all the features and great tools for using video to make money with your channel today. This brand new social media platform that's easy to use, where you can get paid for sharing your experiences, hosting your own webinars, uploading videos, selling products, and more. Anyone can watch your channel and send you cash rewards. They can share your videos on social media or click focus to subscribe to see your videos. When you're online, viewers can call you to learn from your experience. You set your price, and every minute you'll get paid for sharing your professional skills. Or you can create a group call and make a paid session live in just a few minutes. Or go live to thousands on a free-to-air webinar demonstration, turning your channel into a real live commerce business. Every viewer will see the list of videos on your channel, but it's much more powerful than a simple playlist. It's another place where you can make profits using our overlay button feature. You can add overlay buttons to any video. Sell full video access, so they need to pay to access locked parts of your training. Sell products on the videos directly. Add an external link to your video. Or sell exclusive rights, and if the viewer buys exclusive rights, it automatically transfers that video to their channel. Below, users can find more information about your channel, see your experience, category, and badges. And here you can schedule your broadcasting. Every viewer who comes to your channel can see when your next session is going to be held and can ask to get push notifications of your next broadcast. One of the most profitable features is here with your channel products. You can sell any kind of product. You can sell physical products, for example, clothing or accessories, or digital products like courses or ebooks. Plus, you can connect your products using your overlay buttons, so you're ready to sell when they want to buy. We'll automatically advertise to target and retarget audiences that visit the marketplace, helping you promote your products. Users can find your products, videos, and more in the Eyeslick marketplace. Your new Eyeslick channel is the key to bigger audiences and more sales in an easy to use platform anyone can enjoy.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you are excited to get your hands on Eyeslick. You can see it here on the screen, how it will look on a mobile device, especially this in particular. This person is doing some kind of live cooking thing that you can call up. But anyway, again, on my bonus page is a brief summary of what it is and what you get. Another bonus here. And the different pricing platforms. Now, I will say that the front end is only $24.97 initially, and you do only need that to get access to all the bonuses I just talked about. Okay, if you want all those bonuses, don't think that you need to get, this $297 full agency version. Initially, during the first couple of days, they are giving away the agency license for free. So the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. And what that essentially means is, if you then decide to resell, you will get 5% of the royalty fees on every sale. So you can read more about that on my page. There's an upsell called Eyeslick Manifesto as well for $67. You get more training, a promo bundle, and a channel targeted cheat sheet. Eyeslick VIP membership. You'll get pro channel benefits, unlimited products, publish more content, advertising options. You can sell more, therefore earn more. And then you got Eyeslick Tail Overflow for $297. You get an extra 3% revenue, 20% discount on purchasing future invites. Yeah, and the reason that's in there is because they are only giving this away to 10,000 users. Okay, so they're following that old Facebook marketing strategy where, well, it does create scarcity. It's not fake scarcity. If you do buy this, you will be one of the only 10,000 users. Not that that means only 10,000 people can view it, but can create channels on it, be a creator. So I would get in on that. There isn't anything like this out there apart from Twitch, but I actually think after seeing it, after trying it out, it's not even really like Twitch. It's in Twitch in the sense that it's streaming, but there's just more options here for getting people to, purchase from you on site right there and then. Also, if you look on your screen right now, you will see those coupon codes that I talked about at the beginning of this video. So make a note of those, check out which days each one works, and go ahead and punch that in to get those discounts. If that all sounds good to you, check it out. If you do have any questions, queries, concerns, comments, drop them down below. Hit me up in my email, on social media. I do reply to everybody. If not, enjoy Eyeslick, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.